What if I tell you that within just a few days, Prime Minister Modi met some of the world's most influential leaders, strengthened India's ties with Europe, attended the G7 summit, discussed future technology, defense cooperation, and even prepared for a crucial meeting with Donald Trump? Is this just another foreign trip, or is India quietly building its position as a major global power? Stay till the end because we will discuss why Prime Minister Modi visited France, why Slovakia is suddenly important for India, what happened at the G7 summit, and why the Modi Trump meeting could help repair and strengthen India US relations. So let us begin. But before that, if you are new here, then hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay? So first, why France? Prime Minister Narendra Modi began his European tour with France, one of India's closest strategic partners. France and India already cooperate in defense, space technology, nuclear energy, artificial intelligence, and Indo-Pacific security. Right? During the visit, PM Modi met French President Emmanuel Macron. Both leaders reviewed the India-France Special Global Strategic Partnership and discussed deeper cooperation in defense, innovation, civil nuclear energy, critical technology, and regional security. A major highlight was the Bharat Innovates event, where startups, investors, and innovators from India and France came together. The aim was to boost collaboration in AI, clean energy, space technology, and digital innovation. हिंदी में समझें तो फ्रांस के साथ भारत का फोकस सिर्फ डिफेंस पर नहीं है बल्कि फ्यूचर टेक्नोलॉजी और नवाचार पर भी है. And one of the most important topics was defense cooperation. Right? India and France are exploring co-design, co-development, and co-production of advanced defense platform and next generation technology. Reports suggest deeper discussions about fighter aircraft technologies and strategic defense collaboration. यानी भारत सिर्फ खरीदने वाला देश नहीं बनना चाहता, भारत चाहता है मेक इन इंडिया प्लस डिजाइन इन इंडिया और फ्रांस इस विजन का इम्पोर्टेंट पार्टनर बन सकता है. नेक्स्ट, वाई स्लोवाकिया मैटर्स. वाई स्लोवाकिया मैटर्स. नाउ यू मे आस्क वाई स्लोवाकिया. Interestingly, this was the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Slovakia since the country's independence. After bilateral meeting, PM Modi attended the G7 summit in France. The G7 include United States, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy, Canada and Japan. India is not a formal partner, but it is regularly invited because of its growing economic and geopolitical importance. At the summit, discussions focus on global economic growth, technology governance, artificial intelligence, energy security, supply chain, and global south. India's message is clear. Developing countries must have a stronger voice in global decision making. Right? Now comes the most interesting part. On the sidelines of the G7 summit, PM Modi is expected to hold important talk with US President Donald Trump. The agenda is expected to include trade, visas, energy cooperation, and broader strategic ties. Why is this meeting important? Because India and the United States are two major strategic partners. Recent issues such as trade negotiation, tariff concern, technology access, immigration, and visa policies have created challenges. This meeting provides an opportunity to improve coordination and push relations forward. Experts believe discussion could focus on expanding trade, AI cooperation, semiconductor partnership, energy security, and defense collaboration. The long-term goal remains a stronger economic and strategic cooperation between the world's largest and oldest democracy. After France, Slovakia, and G7 engagement, India is expected to continue expanding partnership with Europe, North America, and the global South. The focus remains defense manufacturing, artificial intelligence, semiconductor ecosystem, startup innovation, clean energy, and strategic diplomacy. India is positioning itself as a bridge between developed and developing countries. So, is this just another foreign trip? Absolutely not. This visit was about defense partnership, technology cooperation, innovation, ecosystem, European outreach, G7 diplomacy, and strengthening ties with major powers, including the United States. The message is clear. India wants to play a larger role in shaping the future of global order. What do you think? What do you think? Will these visits strengthen India's global position? Comment below and share your views. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.